My name is Khalib.
My name is Jake.
And this fat guy between us is Josh.
Notice the
Actually, the car fell down.
We should go before Jake has to work. Cause I'm not driving, I'm driving back, and then driving you back home. That's not fine.
unless, yeah.
I know.
Damn it. Okay, park.
Frank was a bitch.
I know, he's such a big...
Yeah. Shoot your rocket launcher point blank at that car.
Maybe I want to die.
See what happens.
Maybe I want somebody else to go up this mountain for me so I don't have to do
I will.
same thing over again. And then
I'll do it.
Okay.
I'll bike up it like a boss. You don't have any rockets.
Fireworks.
No.
Use the minigun.
There we go.
Why didn't you just like drop a grenade?
Damn it. Well, the controls are different. I'm so...
Dumbass.
You...
Oh, he's gonna shoot me. He's gonna shoot me. Huh?
Yeah,
He's gonna shoot me. He's gonna shoot me.
Please shoot him with a grenade launcher.
Actually, I need... Wait, my answer is
It's closed. Please come again.
Oh, really? Actually, it's still open.
No, yeah.
I mean, in real life, it'd be fucking stupid if you probably die. Get off my dick! Okay, alright.
Wait, no, I actually broke it. Oh yeah, 3 stars.
You got me!
Good job.
It's okay.
Pretty sure Josh is gonna die real soon.
I think for a guy who plays this all the time,
He sucks.
odd to combine.
You could put in like, you know, I don't know, invincibility real quick.
I don't know how.
Yeah, that's true.
You could put in Skyfall.
Okay,
real
he
quick.
just like...
He's like, fuck. It's stuck in the fucking wind.
Why
Okay.
did you spawn it that way?
Oh my god. I didn't mean to spawn it that way, you jackass. Like, I'm like, okay, we're gonna put it right in the middle of the concrete area. I can't fucking move! I need back on the road so I can escape these pigs. Not defend anybody that's a cop. Yeah, I'm like asshole.
Nice step, that's a cop.
Yep, well,
Oh yeah? Well,
if the shoe fits, lace that bitch up and wear it.
Come on, move it.
okay, shoot that bitch.
Excuse me?
No, blow her up.
Sticky. Sticky bomb.
Yeah, that's better.
And then just get out of the way afterwards.
Go ahead. Oh, you're gonna reverse now. Didn't you know good? You dumb bitch. Okay.
For some reason, you still blowed up.
Did you see the body?
I'm gonna look, see the body. Oh, well, police here coming. No, there's no body.
Oh. That's kind of weird though, that's for a body.
Her body is gone.
Are you gonna blow it up again?
He's gonna wait for the cops to get there.
Oh, what? I didn't do that.
Yeah, if you hit the left arrow key.
Oh, I didn't do that. Hold on. Oh.
Nice.
Got him.
Nice. He's not going there. Do it. Like he said, go to head, and then you do it. You're gonna run out of stick bombs, so.
You have 20.
Actually, yeah. I'm sorry. Not 20, because you're using one of them.
Fine.
No.
If
go
it
ahead.
makes you upset.
No, that's not gonna work.
Yeah, it is.
Never mind.
It's like the fuck it ain't.
Say hello, my little friend. Oh,
Yeah.
hit that chopper.
Damn it. I died. I'm not that great. Even when she's expecting it, she's not expecting it.
Invincible for 5 minutes. Good! Is there a guard over here?
No, I killed him.
Wow, permanently?
Mm-hmm.
Damn, you must have really fucked that guy up.
Oh, I don't really like being shot at. So here's what I'm gonna do.
You have 5 minutes. Buddy.
Here's what I'm gonna do.
Just punch him to death.
Okay.
I'll show you guys my favorite thing to do in this after.
You know what's really, really fun?
Huh?
Here, let me get off the bike. Oh. Oh shit. This is actually really fun. Oh! Oh, you died. Where's the plane? Where's the plane?
Over there.
On the other side?
So, can you do cheat codes on the Grand Theft Auto Online? Oh wait,
No.
no?
No.
That's why I suck.
You just suck when you're terrible.
Yeah.
I really don't like being shot at, guys. I just want to steal your plane. Get out of my fucking way, you fucking... Oh, you're still dry. You still shooting.
He's lying on the ground.
Yeah, with no legs and no arms, he's just like... He's
So
a
like
mini.
you?
Yeah.
Where's the plane?
I always set myself up.
Go back.
Have you met Caleb's girlfriend?
No, I wouldn't let him do that. Right.
Oh shit! Get out!
Why did you
Actually, I have met her, so joke's on you.
No.
I went to school with her, buddy.
Yeah,
Yeah, I did.
you did?
Yeah.
Where'd you drink it?
In elementary.
Oh, you... Oh, why those?
Stuck my wiener.
No. Not the same.
I know. I haven't met her since.
You had one girlfriend?
Huh?
You have more than one girlfriend?
You're so fucking.
You're an idiot.
No, I'm
sometimes.
sorry, you said...
Oh! You're gonna shoot down your own plane? You're a bitch.
Oh, it's
Wow,
like they're shooting
That's
down...
really mean.
Wow.
I don't really care if they shoot for it, to be honest.
Are you still playing it? Or?
Oh no, they shot my fucking engine.
Can you still get...
Oh shit. God damn it. He sits up. He's like, I'm bleeding, I don't give a shit. I'm black.
I don't give a damn. Don't get out. Don't even worry about getting out of the car.
Where's your other controller though?
Oh, fuck.
I don't...
Are you fucking kidding this?
I know,
Right there.
I
I see it. I see it.
I see.
I see.
Actually, this one doesn't work.
Oh.
Oh, yes, it is. I don't know.
Well, first of all, you're gonna be player 2.
I'm gonna be player only. Don't beat no one.
Guys.
I didn't want it on right now. Oh shit.
Oh, damn it.
You have 1 minute left. And 50 seconds.
Thanks, Jake. I can't fucking read. Luckily, I have you then.
Oh, yeah. You're welcome.
Oh, fuck.
I think they should make a game like a cross between Assassin's Creed and Grand Theft Auto.
That's what I've been saying. How long?
Don't even get out of the car.
When did you say that?
Back when we were at the railroad station on the game. So,
Damn it.
You said they're kind of alike. And I said no, not really.
I said that when we were playing Assassin's Creed.
Damn it.
And then, you know what, never mind.
You know what? Never mind.
How long does the gig of punch last?
Forever. Until you die.
Until you die.
Or you turn it off. Oh, this isn't a fucking blow up of your car. Damn it.
Somebody said he's gonna kill you. You might be gonna kill him.
Okay.
Actually, I'm gonna sell a cop car and I'm like, he told you!
Well, that's okay.
Don't pull that car! We need need that
did that
car.
so
I don't
good.
need shit.
You need to get away from these people so they
No, I
stop
don't. I
killing
don't
you.
need shit.
So they stop killing you, yes
No,
you do.
fuck you. Damn it. Bitch. Hi, I'm gonna borrow this. Thanks.
You're not gonna make
Bye,
it. You're not-
Felicia. I'm gonna make it. You know why?
Yeah. Can you turn that off? It's kind of low.
A little bit.
You're annoying. I can't turn it off.
He's like, like, I don't know. He can, he just doesn't know.
You press L3.
I thought it was R3, not B. Not B? Shit.
No, that's Philip.
That it is.
Straight.
I tried!
Bitch, go straight. Look at all the bullet holes in the car.
Look at how just fucked up the car is.
If cars could bleed, that would look like Dorothy's shoes.
Damn.
That's
You
a
come
little
up with
bit
that by
messed up.
yourself?
Yeah.
Oh, fuck.
It didn't blow up, but
Your body got riddled with holes.
oh, it looks like
Oh shit.
alright, the battery's running low, so here.
The battery's running low?
Yep.
I don't think so.
Yep. Alright, you guys.
Oh, on the camera.
Yeah.
Alright, guys, well, this is gonna be the end of the video as soon as, you know,
And
I die.
our next video will be Black Ops 2 1.
One.
Probably
So-
not. That game's pretty stupid.
It's actually
Yes.
awesome.
So we'll talk to you guys later. This has been an
Alright.
episode of Sam and Cleve. Like us on Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. So this is Josh. This is Caleb, and I'm Jake.
I'm Caleb.
Yeah.
My name's Caleb.
Alright.
This is Josh, and
my
this
name,
is Jake.
My name Jeff.
Alright.
My name Jeff.
My
My
name's
name's Josh.